Hello, YouTube world. I'm whispering because Lorenzo's napping and he probably can't hear me regardless, but I'm like talking but whispering same time. I'm so excited to be sitting down for a little makeup therapy session today. I feel like when I sit down and do get ready with me videos, or whenever I sit down and do my makeup in general, it's like my time to like zone out and just focus on makeup, which I love. So I'm so excited to be filming today's video for you guys. I did a little soft glam look to run some errands, and I have a meeting later. Realistically, I could have went with no makeup, but I just was really feeling in the mood to do a sit down today. So first, I just wanted to say thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Is there something that's interfering with your happiness or preventing you from achieving your goals? I struggled with, a lot of ups and downs the past couple of years, and it wasn't until a year ago that I actually decided to start therapy, and it's been the best thing that I've ever done for myself. So it's really about digging deep and searching within your soul to like figure out, your stuff and talk about things. That way you're able to release it and move on and become the best version of you possible. So like I said, it's something that I always thought was awesome, but I never dived into myself until a year ago when I was pregnant. I actually started, and I highly recommend it for anybody in need. BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with a licensed professional therapist. It's not a crisis line, it's not self-help, it's professional counseling done securely online. There's a broad range of expertise on BetterHelp's counselor network, which may not be locally available in your hometown or wherever you're from. This service is available for clients worldwide in the comfort of your own home. You can log into your account at any time and send a message to your counselor. You'll get timely and thoughtful responses. Plus, you can schedule a weekly phone or video call, and you don't have to have that uncomfortable feeling of sitting in a waiting room waiting for a therapist in real life. I personally do the video chat, and I do it every 2 weeks, which I'm starting to think I might want to start doing it every week because of how helpful it has been for me personally. BetterHelp is committed to facilitating great therapeutic matches, and if at any point you want to change therapists, that's an option as well for you. It's more affordable than traditional offline counseling, and financial aid is also available. BetterHelp wants you to start living a happier life today, so visit betterhelp.com for 10% off your first month. I feel like it's been a minute since I've done a get ready with me, so I'm very excited to sit down today, chit chat. I also bought some new makeup. Did you guys know that Sephora is on Instacart? So I use Instacart a lot, especially with the baby now. It's been a lot easier than having to go and lug him to the grocery store. So I found out that it was on Instacart and I was dying. So I did get a couple new things that I'm excited to try out for the first time today. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a get ready with me, so I figured I would sit down today, play with some makeup, and just chat with you guys. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna be using this face lotion, Augustinus Bader, the cream it's called. This is what Mario used. So what did I do? Went out and got it, of course. So I just showered, so I didn't put any lotion on my face because I knew I was gonna be doing my makeup. And I feel like when I use my night cream, I have a night cream that I just have been using day and night just because it's like the only thing out on my dresser. And I feel like when I've used it and then applied makeup, it never looks as good. So now what I'll do is I will wash my face before doing my makeup. So once that dries, I'm gonna go in with a primer. So this is the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Primer. I'm gonna be trying it out for the first time. This is a hydrating primer. I think it's new, so I'm just gonna do like 2 pumps, and I'm just gonna blend that in. I posted on Instagram to send me some of your favorite foundations because I realized the foundation that I'm using, I bought so many of them, the Fiona Styles. You guys know I was loving it. I ended up buying like so many, but they're so old now at this point. They're probably like 5 years old, so I was like, I need to just try some new foundation. So I'm gonna try, I got it in the Born This Way foundation. I think I may have used this before, like in the past. I don't remember. I have a little bit of a tan left, so we'll see. Hopefully one of these colors is right. That was the only thing about ordering it online. It was like, you have to risk the colors. I mean, it's a little orangey. What do you think? Do I risk it? I also got the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. I mean, I know I can make any foundation really work with highlight contour, but let's see. Okay, that one looks good. I'll use the Nars. This is Punjab. I'm using the Makeup Ariel foundation brush. And we're just going to go in. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Wow, and I feel like a little bit went a long way. You know how some foundations you have to just like, oh my God, yeah. Oh, she looking crazy. I think it covers pretty nicely. I'm gonna use my regular cream contour, the Midnight Marigold. I'm gonna probably do like a soft glam because A, I haven't done my makeup in a while. I did go out actually Sunday for a friend's birthday, so that was fun. It was fun to get ready for that. But before that, it's been like a while. For concealer, I am using the Nars Custard. I used to use this one a while ago, and I rebought it because again, even with the Shape Tape, I did order new ones, but I'm like, my Shape Tape concealers are years old. I feel like they never run out. I also have like multiple colors that I was like mixing. So, oh, I forgot my nose contour. I used this one when I went out on Sunday and I really loved it. I wanted to use it again today. So me and my girls, Amy's back, my assistant. So I have her and Danny that have been here helping me. We're getting more stuff up for closet sale. So definitely stay tuned for that. I think we have like 50 to 100 pairs of shoes. I don't even know how many, maybe not 100, but a lot of shoes. Some purses and sunglasses are all going up. They're working on that now. And then of course I have a lot of clothes that we will be adding. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that concealer and just go like over the nose contour. I like doing this with a brush, so I just use my Beauty Blender for this step on Sunday, and I feel like in pictures my nose contour was just like way too dark, so I feel like with a brush first, I feel like it just covers the brown a little bit better, so I would just recommend using a brush before the Beauty Blender. So I don't know if I've used this powder before. It's like one of those things where like I think I did, but I just bought a new one. It's the Cupcake Powder by Huda. And this powder has a little bit of like a pinker undertone, which is good for dark circles and like for brightening. I used this powder Sunday too and I liked it. I Instacarted Saturday. I got all this product Saturday, knowing I was gonna get ready on Sunday, so yay. It's just with the foundation, I didn't wanna risk trying a new one. I'm just putting a little bit under here as well. So I have a meeting with my friends, Kennedy Events, and we are starting Ren's first birthday party. We're starting to plan it because it's in April, beginning of April, and it's crazy that he's gonna be 1 year old in April. Like, time's flying, it really, really is. We are doing a space theme. That's his nursery theme, and I just feel like, how do we not for the first birthday? So, you know I'm gonna vlog it so you guys can see how it all turns out. I'm really excited. I love party planning, really, it's so fun. I feel like my biggest struggle in life is getting these eyebrows even. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, how I've been, you know, doing therapy for a while now, and I just wanted to bring it up again because I never was against it. I just never did it. So really quick, I bought, yes, in dark, the Charlotte Tilbury in dark. I'm just gonna set like the contoured areas with this. I've never used this. I've used, ooh, it's dark. I've used it in the lighter shades, but I figured to set the contour, we can try this. But yeah, I just think it's so important. Like, if anyone is on the fence or, you know, struggling and is thinking about it, make the investment. The way I see it is, it's like you putting in time for yourself, and showing up for yourself. So, best thing I ever did. And I will continue it. Now my lips look so big. So I'm just gonna set the cream nose contour. So I'm so excited. Next weekend, I'm starting training with Benjamin. So I found out about this company through a friend. So normally they do like 6 to 8 week programs where they board and train. So I was like, all right, well, I want to have my dog trained. He barks like uncontrollably when people come over. He's a really, really great dog, and he's usually well behaved. It's just like the first 5 minutes of, like, this light is too bright. I just feel like the first 5 minutes of anyone coming over, he's so nervous and he's always barking. So the guy also does like a 5-day, 12-hour day in-house program. So I'm sure you guys can guess which one I decided to do. 6 to 8 weeks or 5 12-hour days in a row. So I'm very excited. The guy was trained by Cesar Millan, and I have been watching Cesar like 911 for weeks now and I'm addicted. So I feel like I've already started the training and I've seen improvements in him, but I cannot wait. I just feel like having a dog that listens to you is badass, and when they don't, it's, you know, frustrating because people aren't gonna wanna come over and have a dog barking in their face. I know I wouldn't want that. Craziest thing ever. I showered right before I started filming and I just blow dried my hair like, just like this, a little bit so it wasn't sopping wet, and look how my hair air dries, pin straight. So I finally got to do my keratin treatment. Again, I hadn't done it in like almost 2 years because obviously I got pregnant, and before that I think I was due for one when I found out I was pregnant, so my hair was growing out a lot and I have naturally very curly frizzy hair. So I was so excited to get it done, and again my hair's like pin straight. So she also cut it for me. I'll show you guys once I'm done getting ready. But if anyone is in New Jersey and is looking for an amazing hair salon, one of my best friends owns Perlay in Wayne, New Jersey, and she's been doing my keratin for at least 10 years now. I used to go in her mom's basement. That's how long I've been with her. She's so amazing, and I highly, highly recommend their salon. So if you guys decide to go, tell them Carli sent you. And again, if you guys have like unruly hair that's like impossible to do, and even because of the baby, like I really just don't have time to sit there and blow out my hair all the time. So this just saved me like hours and hours of maintenance. I was wearing my hair in a ponytail like every single day because it was just like, honestly, just unmanageable. So shout out to Lindsay and Perlay Salon. I love you guys. They have the sweetest staff. It's always a pleasure going there. So for eyes today, I'm gonna take the Buxom Ash Home palettes, and I'm gonna grab the color Iconic and apply that all over my eyelid. Benjamin, I hear him crying at my door. First I'm gonna grab the color Teddy and then start with that and drag it out. Is that a dark circle coming through? There's no way though. I must have touched a dark color. Let me get that out of here. So weird, right? With a larger blending brush, I'm grabbing 1989, which is that orange, and I'm going right over that. So you can see I'm just dragging it upwards. Like right where the nose contour is, I'm gonna connect the shadow into the eyeshadow. Grabbing the Sunset Away palette by HAUS Lab, and I think, guys, I'm just winging it today. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Sunkissed, and I'm gonna apply that just right on the lid, the outer lid. This is kind of the same color as the other palette, but I'm just gonna darken the orange. Get a little less brown, a little more orange. I'm grabbing a black eye pencil. I'm not done. Actually, before I do that, I was staring at the color Babe Watch right here. We're gonna take a little bit of that on the finger and pop it right in the center. I was like, is this not pigmented? But it is, it's pretty. And I'm gonna put it like right where those two lid shades meet, so it kind of blends better. Okay, so what I've been doing lately is taking a black eyeliner pencil and applying it close to the lash line. That with just like a little wing. And then I've been going in with like a brush and just kind of like dragging it out. That. I just feel like I've never been good at getting my wings even, and by doing this it's just more helpful. These are the lashes that I'm going to use. Next is mascara. I'm gonna take this Makeup by Mario liquid pen and I'm just gonna extend the line. So back to the brows. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Anastasia pomade and fill them in a bit. I really wanna do like a makeup clean out. This also is years old. Plus everything, if you guys saw my makeup room tour, like I have so much stuff. So let me know if you guys want me to film it because it's happening soon. So I have the Charlotte powder. Look how cute is the mini one compared to the big one. In light, I'm gonna just apply a little powder underneath my eyes. Just to brighten. And then for my under lash line, I don't know, I think I'm gonna do Stacks first, or actually no, I'm gonna do a matte under. I'm gonna grab Teddy, Rich, which is like a darker brown for the outer. And then the orange 1989 for underneath. So I'm gonna do a little bit of the powder under my eyes and then do bottom lashes. This is so I don't get that black, those black smudges. If I don't do this step, forget it. I'm getting black everywhere. Oh. I'm gonna wait till it dries and try to scrape it off. That happened to me on Sunday too, except it was like right here. It was very tragic. All right, while that is drying, I'm gonna do lips. All right, let's see if I can save the day. Yes, scraping off, perfect. That way I didn't ruin anything. That was perfect. I'm gonna wipe away the powder now. So I'm gonna go in with this Nars blush palette, this bright pink here. For lips, I'm using KKW 3.5. Just a little bit. And then I'm just taking a little bit of my concealer. And then for gloss, She's Expensive by Patrick Ta. I think that's it, guys. My hair literally air dried pin straight. It's so crazy. So I feel like makeup is therapeutic for me. It was nice to just sit here, zone out and do my makeup for a little bit. The baby's been napping pretty much the whole time. I heard my mom getting him down when I started, so that worked out perfectly. I hope you guys love this look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.